Greetings WordPressers, Spiro here. In today's video, we are going to learn how to store Contact Form 7 form data into WordPress admin dashboard so it can be accessed later and exported. Contact Form 7 is definitely the best contact form system for WordPress, but it doesn't store your contact form submissions in a WordPress database. This means that perhaps maybe your server had an issue or user's browser might have crashed at the time of submitting the form. There is a good chance you might not gonna get the email that was submitted on the website. With the Contact Form 7 add-on plugin that we are going to introduce today, it allows you to store form submissions in WordPress database. Before we go to the content, I just want to let you know that here at WP Society, we talk about the WordPress problems and how to solve them, as well as full website tutorials and everything about WordPress. So if you're into it, make sure you hit subscribe button and hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss any new videos. And now without further ado, let's go into the content. Alright guys, we are now inside my dashboard. For the purposes of today's tutorial, I'm gonna use my company's website, official company's website, goodmoodpromotions.co.nz. To get started, first thing that we have to do is we have to install a plugin called Flamingo. Flamingo is a database save plugin for Contact Form 7. It's also developed by the same person. So just go on plugins, add new, and then search for Flamingo, and then install now. And as you can see, there is around 500,000 active installations of Flamingo right now. It's actually quite simple plugin to use, but there are a few tricks if you have advanced contact forms. That's why I'm actually using this website to show you that advanced forms are slightly different to save into database. Once we have installed Flamingo plugin, it adds a Flamingo field here on left. And as you can see, there is an email address book where you can see who is the user, spiro.kovac@yahoo.com, username Spiro Kovac, and user history and last contact 1 minute ago. Anyway, in inbound messages, this is where we're gonna store the messages. As you can see, I've been 66 messages. That's the old contacts from clients that were reaching me over my website because I want it clear and neat for you guys. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna create a custom page because this is official website. And I'm also gonna go to the contact page and I'm gonna create a new empty contact form 7. So just add new. And I'm gonna save it. And I'm gonna copy paste this piece of shortcode into the page, and I'm gonna publish page, but I'm not gonna publish it public. I'm gonna make it private, so it's not visible by my website viewers. Then we're gonna enter the details. You're gonna name Spiro. Here's the email, spiro.kovac@gmail.com. I'm just gonna use Gmail version of my mail, and I'm gonna say test subject, and this is the message in the test. Okay, and then we're gonna click submit or send, and I've received thank you for your message. It has been sent, which means that our email went through successfully. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna open up a dashboard, and then we're gonna navigate over to Flamingo, and then you'll click address book, and you'll see, yes, it's just added 1 minute ago. It added my Gmail email, and it used Contact Form 7 using temporary form. And then if we go over to inbound messages, you can see that it stored our message. It says subject, test subject from spiro.kovac@gmail.com, and using this contact form. And if you click, you can see and you can read the message. It stores the IP address, it stores the browser, URL that was used to submit the form, date, time, everything you actually need. Now guys, this is the basic version of how to use the Flamingo plugin. If you have any advanced form on your website, you will get stuck and it won't pick up the data, and I'll let you know why. Because if we hover over to my contact forms, and if we check one of my more advanced forms, let's say inbound marketing application form, and let's open up the page, and let me show you which form on the page is that. If we go and click work with us, you can see that I have a little bit more advanced form here where it looks name, email, phone number, URL, are you currently advertising a business, drop down menu, and a little bit about the business and whatever comments and questions they have about my free assessment. And also to submit, they have to confirm that they are interested in my service. As you can see now, we are inside my form. You can see that lead name in this form is the name of the lead, your full name. That's a lead name here. Then lead email is your email. Then lead phone number is your phone number. Lead website is your business website URL here. Lead advertising is, are you currently advertising your business? Yes or no. Now what we want to store this data into same Flamingo. How are we going to do it? We need to add a couple of additional settings. So we have to click on additional settings, and here is the code. So these are the additional settings that we have to add into Flamingo so it records correct data from this particular form, because this form doesn't use default contact form 7. Like you can see here, your name, your email, and your subject. Those are default entries. We have to tell Flamingo plugin that email address, so Flamingo email, pull email address from lead email. Flamingo name, pull name from lead name. Flamingo subject, pull subject from lead website. So you go here's full name, Spiro Kovac, and I'm gonna put spiro.kovac@gmail.com, and then phone number +64 2722 77221, and business URL is Good Mood Promotion. Oh, let's put wpsociety.com, and currently advertising business no, and hi there, I'm interested in your Facebook ads plans. Could we set up a meetup, please? And if they don't confirm their interest in my services, they can't click yes, I confirm my interest in your services, and let's do it. And as they submit, they're gonna get redirected to the thank you page. That's very simple, beautiful, looks fine. Immediately, their form will be added into Flamingo. Spiro.kovac@gmail.com contacted me 2 times using contact form 7, 1 time using inbound marketing application form, and 1 time using temporary form. If we click over inbound messages, it recorded both messages. When they used inbound marketing application form and they're looking for interest about this particular website, this is the person, and this is the channel form they used. So if you click here, you'll see that it recorded all the details about their message. Name Spiro Kovac, spiro.kovac@gmail.com, details, WP Society, are they currently advertising? No. Are they currently, there are details of the message, and they agree with the rules. That's guys pretty much it. That's how to set it up here. If you want to export address book, select here and click export, and it will export in a CSV file. As you can see here, you can save, but I'm not gonna save this time. Same with the inbound messages. Just click on the inbound messages here and then export messages. Also, you can filter it just as everything else in the WordPress. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how to use contact form 7 plugin add-on called Flamingo. It's really useful. I recommend it to use all the time on every website, because for whatever reason, your contact form might not working, your server might not working, or browser can eventually crash on the user side. You're not gonna receive the email. You might miss the opportunity. And trust me, guys, it happens from time to time, and more often than you would actually think. And with that being said, guys, we got to the end of this video. And before I knock off, I wanna ask you one more question. Would you like to know how to create a full-time passive income online, quit your 9 to 5 and earn your freedom, which is what I'm doing right now? Check the link below in the description of this video right now, and I'm gonna show you my #1 most recommended opportunity online. So go check that link right now, and I'll get that information to you right away. Also, if you found this video useful, make sure you comment in the description below, like the video, and share it with anyone you know this might be useful to. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell as well, so you don't miss any new videos. And I'll make sure to see you again. Cheers, have a good day.